This is Biotronix Magneto plus laser therapy device. This is Magneto 7T, 7 Tesla. This is the premium model, and you can see this is a touchscreen device. This is the quality of the product. You can see, uh, and you can see the quality of the product, and you can see the quality of the. And this is the Magneto plus laser combination. So Magneto is 7 Tesla, and laser is class 3B laser, 5600 milliwatt power, 5600 milliwatt power. So now I will show you the demo of the device. You can see this is the applicator. This is the handle. I'm taking it out. This is the applicator stand. So you can adjust, increase or decrease angle and everything. You can adjust from here. You can adjust from here. You can adjust from here. So according to the patient sitting position or lying position, you can adjust the magneto, and then you can place the same over the same, and the body will be in the in contact, in little bit contact with the handle, and it will get the treatment. So you can see the quality of the applicator. This is the applicator, quite heavy duty, around 1 kg in weight, and you can see this is the applicator. So now I will show you by operating the device. I have already filled the water in the same. You have to fill the water before using the device. From the back side there is water inlet and water overflow. You need to insert a pipe in the water inlet and water overflow. Then you need to fill the distilled water in the same, and around 1 to 1.5, between 1 to 1.5 liter, the overflow will outlet will give some water. That means the tank is now full. You don't need to fill more. So I have already done the same, and now I will switch on the device from the back side. There are two cooling fans at the back side. I have already plugged in the laser at the back side, and you can see this is Biotronix solution for the importer of the magneto and laser therapy premium model. Uh, Whenever you click the screen, you will go to the password section, and here you can see the default password is 6 times 0, but you can also modify the same. So the person who knows the password can operate the device only. 0 0 0 0 0 0 6 times, and sure. So you can see now there are two interface in the touch screen, magneto and laser. So first I will show you the magneto and all the parameters and everything. So in the magneto you can see these are the trend treatment area: elbow, shoulder, cervical spine, hand, knee, ankle, thigh, hip, joint, groin, lumbar spine. If you select this one, the same will be indicated over here. If you select the hand, the indication will change to hand. If you select the knee, the indication will go to the knee. So all these, if I select the knee parameter, the recommendation is also given according to the machine manufacturer and the theory. You can see the recommended parameters are 20 minutes, energy 40%, and what are the conditions they can use for arthrosis and knee soft tissue damage. So these are the recommendation also given. You can vary the same according to the patient condition, but these are the recommendation. So now if I select if I select the hand, and sure, so you can see now it is a hand, and there are two modes in the device, MT and ST. So MT is the lower frequency, ranges from 1 to 50 hertz, and ST is the higher frequency, ranges from 100 to 300 kilohertz, 100 to 300 kilohertz. So ST is already presetted automatic frequency. You can't change the same. It is already presetted according to the treatment area you have selected. Like I have selected hand. If I select this, it is automatically saved. So now I am selecting hand, and when I switch to the ST, I start the same. So you can see, you can hear the sound, and I am feeling the magnetic field in my hand. So you can see this is the automatic frequency state. Timer already selected. You can increase or decrease. Energy is 30%, which is the recommended for the hand. But in case you want to increase, or doctor want to increase, because I am getting enough energy in 30% on my hand. But if someone hand is more thicker, and the skin is more thicker, or doctor needs more energy to treat the same can be increased from here. So You can see this is the ST mode. Now I'm just pausing the same. I'm going back and now I will show you the empty mode. This is the ST mode, which is I have already told, which is higher frequency range from 100 to 300 kilohertz, and it is automatically all set according to the program treatment area. In the empty mode, you have three frequency: F1, F2, F3. You can select all these frequency within the range 1 to 50, and whenever you start the same, this is a manual frequency selection. Whenever you start the same, you will be getting all these three frequency one by one in the applicator. I will show you how. Like if I select if I select F1 as 4 hertz, if I select F2 as, like I select the maximum 50, 40, 50. So this is a maximum 50, and F3 I select between the range, like if I select 20. So I have selected F1 as the minimum, like minimum in the category, and F2 is the maximum, and F1 is the in between the same. So now if I start the same, you can see, you can hear the voice. I am feeling the magnetic field on my hand, and this you can see, this is the F1 is glowing. It means I'm getting F1. Now you can see F2 is glowing. I'm getting F2. You can see the difference. Tuck, 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 tuck. Now, tuck, 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 tuck. And because this is 50 hertz frequency, and now F2 is glowing, F2 is blinking, and in a while now I use F3. You can see the change in the frequency. Now it is 20 hertz. So between all these three frequency, it will keep on varying according to what you have set. So this is the empty mode, and this is the range of the empty mode is 1 to 50 hertz. You can set three frequency in between, and you can increase or decrease the power. So you can hear the voice now. It is 100%, and I am feeling the power from the further distance. I am getting maximum amount of magnetic field in my hand. So now I am stopping the same. So this was the Magneto section. It was empty, ST, and these 10 programs, and you can set the empty frequency, three frequencies, 1 to 50 hertz, and in ST mode it is automatically fed from 100 to 300 kilohertz according to the treatment area. So this was the demonstration of Magneto, and now I will give you the demonstration of laser therapy. Laser here is class 3B, cluster laser it is, and you can see this is the holding stand for laser, and this is the holding stand for laser, and you can see these are the 1 2 3 4 16 diodes. These are the 16 diodes, and here 8 diodes are 808 nanometer and 8 diodes are 650 nanometer. So the cluster wavelength of the cluster power of the laser is 5600 milliwatt, which is quite effective, because the handy model and all the models come in the class C laser is around 500 or 350 milliwatt, but this is 5600 watt with all the two wavelength, 808 nanometer and 650 nanometer. Now I will show you the demo of the laser also. This is the working time. You can increase or decrease for the laser. This is the continuity frequency, continuity, or then frequency you can select up to 100 in the multiple of, you can see 5, 10, 20, 40, 80, 100. I'm operating the same in the continuity mode. Intensity is just 5% currently. I will keep on increasing the same. Start. I will increase the intensity. I will increase the intensity. This is the 5%, you can see. Now I will increase the same to 10%, 15. You can see those 8 diodes. 8 are 808 and 8 are 650. You can see the same. Increase to the 100. So you can see the intensity of the same. I am getting 808 is not visible to eye, so that is why you can't see the same. and 650 is red in color, that is visible to you, and this is 100%. I am feeling a little bit heat in the same, you can see, and so it is now this is the continuous mode. Now I will switch to the pulse mode. I switch to the pulse mode. You can see this is the 10 hertz frequency, or this is the 20. You can see the variation. This is the 40. I am feeling a little bit heat on my hand because this is a class 3B laser, but with the cluster power of 5600 milliwatt. Now it is 100. So you can see the change. So this is the combination therapy where you are getting the Magneto 7 Tesla with the MT and ST mode, and with the 10 treatment area, and all the parameters you can adjust in the MT mode, the 3 frequencies, timer and energy, and in the ST mode you are getting the automatic frequency. So in the laser you are getting 8108 diodes and 6508 diodes. So total as total 16 diodes, and there is a fan in the laser for the cooling of the diodes for the longer life of the device, and total power of the cluster is 5600 milliwatt, and 650 is red in color, and 810 is not visible to eye. So this was the demo of the device. You can operate Magneto at a time, you can operate laser at a time, or you want, if you want to increase operate both the devices at a time, you can use the same, and you can also use the same in the combination of each laser and Magneto. Like if you need to plug in the same into it, and you need to insert the same in that applicator. You can either use Magneto or laser, or you can use Magneto also or laser in combination. So if I select like empty frequency, you can see Magneto, and if I select the intensity of the laser, so I'm getting laser, patient is getting laser as well as Magneto on the hand at the same time. So you can see getting the Magneto and laser. So both the treatments can be used simultaneously or one by one. So our device has option for the same also, and in the combination also. So that was a complete demo of the device. I hope demo is informational to you, and I have mentioned everything and every aspect very clearly. If you still have any question or any query, you can comment in the comment section, or you can reach us on our WhatsApp number, which is mentioned in the description and the video itself, or you can reach our website for the purchase. You can reach us via email. So thank you for watching. For the complete instruction manual and everything is there in the description itself, so you can see the same from the description, or you can reach us on our WhatsApp number. We will share the same with you. Thank you for watching.